beautiful people, welcome back once again to my channel. This video is about a healing aid plant called ginger. If you're visiting my channel for the first time, please click the subscribe button there on your right hand side that says subscribe, and the notification button to be notified of any new uploads from me. I need your support, please, to grow this channel. So please, I'm begging you to subscribe to my channel. So stay tuned and let's talk about this wonderful and beautiful healing plant called ginger. So let's talk about the health benefit of ginger. Ginger helps to boost our immune system. It's very strong in boosting our immune system. Whether you take it in form of tea or you take it in form of juice, because it boosts the immune system, it helps them to fight any cold or flu symptoms, or if you have stomach upset, and it also helps to protect our skin from free radical damage. Ginger also has an inflammatory properties, so that's one of the things too that makes it very good for our body and our immune system. One of the risk factors of ginger is if you're pregnant, it's not advisable that you take ginger because it can cause miscarriage. It's not advisable to take it internally. And also ginger is not I don't advise you to apply raw ginger on your skin, especially if you have sensitive skin or if you have any like recent burns. Don't apply ginger on your skin because it will cause you more irritation, and it may even cause more problem for your skin. This video I'm going to show you a lot of beauty benefits of ginger. I'm going to show you how to make some recipes and with ginger that really works wonderful for your skin. If you want to maintain a very clear, blemish-free, acne-free, glowing, youthful, ageless skin, because ginger helps our body as well to fight any. Ginger is good for, and it has anti-aging properties, so it helps to keep your body young by boosting collagen production. So in this video I'm going to show you some natural home remedies with ginger, which has shown tremendous result when you use it regularly. When used regularly to treat some skin issues or incorporated into your normal skincare routine. And yeah, these remedies, they actually do work very well. So as long as you're consistent and as long as you use it the right way. Okay, so this is what fresh ginger looks like. Ginger roots looks like, and when it's not peeled, and this is what it looks like when it's peeled. Okay, and this peeled one is the one that I'm going to use for all the recipes that I'm doing today. So I hope you like the recipes and you love this video. And please, if you do, give it a thumbs up and leave your comment below of which recipe is your favorite. I love you so much and I thank you for all your support. Take care of yourselves. Bye.